Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Google account. Use a browser or the Google app so you can see full settings. Once signed in, open account. Google.com or tap your profile and choose Manage your Google account. Make sure to navigate to the left menu or the Data and Privacy tab. From there, locate the Storage or Manage your Data section. This first step gets you to the central place where Google aggregates storage across Drive, Gmail, and Photos. Once you reach the storage page, you'll see a clear breakdown of total storage and how much each product uses. Click Manage Storage to reveal a detailed list of large files, attachments, and photos sorted by size. You can filter by file type or date to focus on old or oversized items. Make sure to inspect Gmail's large messages and Drive's big files. Photos may contain large, original quality images consuming space. This analysis tells you what to delete or move next. To finish, delete or transfer large files and empty trash folders to free space. Deleted items still count until permanent removal. Once done, confirm the storage meter updates. Sign out and back in if it doesn't. If you prefer not to delete, consider upgrading via Google One for more storage. If numbers remain inconsistent, clear your browser cache or app data and wait a few minutes for Google to recalculate. This final pass ensures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.